Welcome back. The Indian Premier League has come as a boon for cricketers all over India. Two editions of the IPL have produced a number of heroes out of lesser known players from various parts of the country. Goa can now boast of 4 cricketers in the IPL, with Sagun Kamath signing a deal with Kolkata Knight Riders.
Cricket in India is the envy of all other sports persons for the publicity showered on the international stars and the financial benefits that come with playing for the country. Almost every youngster dreams of playing for the country, but not everybody manages to do so. Cashing in on the huge popularity of cricket, the Board of Control for Cricket in India introduced the 2020 championship named the Indian Premier League in 2008. Owned by franchises made up of business groups and film stars, the IPL teams gave opportunities to a number of Ranji players to play in the big league that also pulled off star signings from abroad. After Swapnil Asnodkar, Shadab Jakadi and Saurabh Bandekar, Sagun Kamath has now become the latest entrant from Goa to join the IPL team. The left-handed Ranji batsman has signed a 1-year contract with Kolkata Knight Riders recently. Another fine prospect from the state, all-rounder Robin D'Souza, is also hopeful about securing a place in the IPL this season. The IPL, it must be said, has motivated the youngsters in particular to work hard on their game and improve themselves. However, the argument continues whether the huge popularity of the 2020 version of the game has diluted the importance of Test and One-Day games. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The 41st State Athletic Meet concluded on Thursday. The meet was organized by the Goa Athletic Association at Kampal. The athletic meet ended with the 4x100 meters relay races for all categories. Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai was the chief guest and gave away the prizes to the winning athletes. Sai Training Center from Pede stole the show by securing team championships in under 18 and under 20 categories. Prudent Media caught up with some of the winning athletes.
I participated in 100 and 200 meters and I stood first in both the events. Yeah.
And how you felt you performed overall?
Yeah, the overall was good. There was no competition, much competition in women's section. It was really few who participated in this event.
Okay, how much effort do you have to actually put to win such events?
It's normal, like whatever we practice during our days, like morning and evening session, whatever is required to give a competition to a good competitor.
Okay.
परफॉर्म अभी करना मैं आए मुझे थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस पढ़तो ना प्रॅक्टिस स्टार्ट केला मी 4 महिने प्रॅक्टिस करून दावला 2 वर्षांमध्ये थोडा सोडलेली प्रॅक्टिस.
Which were the events you participated in?
Javelin and shotput.
Okay, and what were the results of that?
I got gold in both the events.
Okay, and how much of efforts do you have to put to win such events?
Yeah, since I'm doing my BPEd at Bosco's, normally we have training in the morning and 2 hours conditioning. And I think so because of those efforts, we gave our best.
Okay, and what are your near aims in sports especially?
Just excel in sports, give my best, and I just represent India.
A sports reporter from Kampal, Patterson Fernandez. The annual procession of Our Lady of Fatima was carried in Vasco. People from all walks of life were seen with candles in the procession. I take your leave with these visuals of procession captured by our reporter Surendra Matkaikar. Goodbye and keep watching Prudent Media. Take care.
सुखाचीनी म्हाका आमी सोर प्राणी सूर्या तुका मागीता म्हणटा सगलो सुखाचीनी म्हाका आमी सोर प्राणी आयक फातिमाची सायबिणी